Hey, I'm Narendra from RoboSlog. I'm gonna to tell you like how you can contribute to our blogs. So for that you need to go roboslog.in/wp-admin, and here you can see this login form. And now if you already have account details, you can log in using username and password. If you don't have, then you need to register here. And so select you choose your username. Okay, the registration confirmation will be mailed to you, so just check your email. So here we got. So for the first time only, you have to set a password. Okay, but make sure you follow all the hints here, like it should be 12 character long with uppercase and lowercase the numbers and including a symbol. So let's make it something like yeah, we can keep it something less than 12 character, but then it will show as a beat. So you can use some random character to make a strong password. Otherwise, you can confirm on the week if you want to keep it this only. So just let's log in. So our username was slog3d and the password was 123, and just remember. Once we logged in our account, we can check, we see this dashboard. So just let me just tell you about this dashboard. So basically it's all the notifications coming to your platform, WordPress platform, you can see here. So now let's click on new post. So let's try to post something as a new post. So this is just a tips window, so you can just follow the tips if you want to check. Otherwise you can just click or just cancel, and just let's start posting something. Just give it a title to your post. So let's make if it's like it's a 3D printer, something like, and you can write whatever the content you want. Like you can write the slog 3D printer, it's an IoT printer. So anything you can write here, just like that. And also then you can, there is a blocks, everything will be in the cat as a rows there is a blocks. So you can select a block, and there is a lot of options here, you can choose any one of them. So once you start posting here, you can just choose one of the every you can learn by one using one by one. So let's choose image here, and if you just like upload, you can upload your image here. So here we have this image, and using this circle you can minimize this size, and you can add this side more items here you can add. And here for the image title, you can write some alternative text. That alt text means that user the all the website can easily find that image using this alt text. So there was some issue, but let me just upload it again. This was some kind of network issue, nothing else. So just using this line, we can minimize the size, and you can write the image alternative text, so that the website can find it easily, this image, and also the Google can find our image easily. So if you want to let the Google find it, so you just need to put the alt text if you want. So better to keep some text for the same image. So let's say networking. Okay, so and the other things, you can crop the image if you want, or the scale the image using giving some height or the width. Okay, so now let's choose some more content. Like the heading, you can write, you can add page breaks, you can take a break of, you can uh, you can just break the post into different page, you can say, like it will be, it will give some kind of break, right? So you can see this like this. And you can add some gallery audio and all the video, obviously the video too. So you can search for the video, it should contain the video. Yeah, right, you can choose the video here and you can upload your video. So like this way you can post. So now the other things, you can, you have this category here. Okay, so the category is not visual to you, but let it be. We will just check it how the category how can be added. But for now, let's publish it. You cannot preview it as of now. There was some issue. We will check it how the errors can be solved. But when you click on the post, so just let me confirm you, like it will just ask for you to submit for review, because you are in the contributor mode, so you cannot publish to the public. So we will review it first, and from the admin side it will be published. Okay, so you just click on the submit for review, and we will just review this post, and we will verify it, and within 1 2 days it should be published for the public. So if by the way if we miss it, you can always ask on the what our WhatsApp number for confirmation for the post. Okay, so other things was like you can delete this post, because you have made this post, so you can obviously you can delete it. And you can anytime you can change the URL of the that this post, that called a slug. So slug means the roboslog.in slug, that after the this URL, the main website or domain name, there will be the URL slug. So your URL will be something kind of roboslog.in slash slog 3D printer, right? So you can change this like printer, like you if you change, so it will be something kind of like this, right? So you can change that anytime you want. The featured image is kind of image that you apply, so that the when you click on your blog page, so it visual to your blog page actually. So only for the blog page, as a thumbnail you can use this. Like if you see this, so there is no images here. If you choose the images, so you maybe there on the top of the blog or the in front of blog it will be shown. Okay, so that's all. Just finalize. If you change anything, if you have changed, you just click on submit for review again. And these all the things are just for the customization for the themes. So I don't think like you need to change anything. You just keep it as it is. Let's go to back, and here is it's done, and that's all. Thank you guys.